Hello, I am Sangeeta Panchal, attending the workshop of Empowering Educator. It is an international boot camp teaching the concept of AI, Python, and robotics. On the day 5, we have learned a game of Flappy Bird game using the hand detection. So let us start with this game. Okay, let us start with this game. Now for this one, to get the feel of the game, I have already downloaded the picture of the Flappy Bird and the pipe from the internet. So what I'll do, I'll upload this in my project. So I'll take the background, this one, and open here. Take the sprite also. So I have two sprites, Pipe and Flappy Bird. Let me upload it in the PictoBlocks. Okay. Uh, Let us change the size of this one. It is size 100. So I'll make it as, let us say, 30. Or I can make it as 25. Similarly for this one, it is 100. So I'll make it as 40. Let us work with the 30. I delete the Toby sprite from here. So let us start the programming with the Flappy Bird. Now for the Flappy Bird, to make the complexity of this game, I'll have 3 pipes. So let me program it first, then I duplicate it. So let us start with this. What is the position of Flappy Bird? Let us say 187 and 4. So I say sprite dot set x. The position is minus 187. It may be different in your computer. And sprite set y, it is minus 4. Now I'm using the concept of PoseNet. So hand is equal to the PoseNet. Now it's a human body detection extension. So all the function in this one will be now in the object or the variable hand. Now the next step would be I should turn on the video. So hand dot video on, and I'm keeping the transparency as 60. To access all the points of the hand, I'll use hand dot enable box. Now I am working with the forever loop. Throughout it is analyzing my hand. So hand dot analyze hand. Okay. Now we have to detect our hand. So the if statement is if hand dot is hand detected. Now if this is the case, now there are some points on the hand which I want to take it up. Sprite dot set x hand dot get hand position 1,8. These are the points on the index finger. It will cover the entire index finger from top to bottom. Similarly, I'll take the Y position as 2,8. Now this will cover the programming of Flappy Bird. So let us do the programming of Yes. Pipe. Uh, it is showing me the red. Let us say I'll put a bracket again. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, let us do the programming of pipe. Now the first statement is the import time, and then look at the position. Here I am getting minus 110 and minus 83. So sprite dot go to xy, this one. So I want to move the pipe up and down continuously. So I'll use uh, let us make a function define move, and under this one I'll move this pipe up and down. So the first statement is it will go to this position x and y, it is mentioned here, and I'll stay here, hold this position for let us say 1 second. So time dot sleep 1. And if I want to move by 10 points upward, I'll just copy this one, control V. So this is minus 83. So let us say I'll move by 20. So it is going to be minus 63. Again I sleep for 1 minute. Now I want to run a forever loop. So while true, if sprite is touching the Flappy Bird, I use the same spelling of the bird, Flappy Bird, as it is in the sprite list. So we simply say that that the game is over. Let us say this will appear for 5 seconds, and I'll break, move out of the loop. Otherwise, I'll call this function move continuously. So this is the programming part of the pipe. So let us duplicate this. Right click and duplicate. So I'll get pipe 2. So I'll move it somewhat here and make the programming part of this. So when I open this pipe 2, the programming part of the pipe will also appear here, but I have to make some changes. The position of x and y is 64 and minus 82. 64 and minus 82. I have changed it to pipe 2, 64 and minus 82, and in the other one I have changed it to 64 and minus 62. So let us make a duplicate of this one again. Now this pipe, I want to make it as upside down, so I'll change the direction. Okay. Now the position, it is minus 22 and 79. Minus 22 and 79. In the other one, I'll make it as minus 22 and 59. I have to take one more sprite, and that is the red line. Change its direction to 180 and drag it on the right side and change the size to 50. Okay, now do the programming of this line. Now it is hand is equal to pose net. Now I have to run the forever loop. So while true, now I have to check if sprite is touching Flappy Bird. If it is touching the Flappy Bird, so sprite dot say u1, and this will, I think, will make it appear for 3 seconds, and then we turn off the video. So hand dot video off. So this is the entire programming of this project. So let us run this program. Like this application. I hope you too also like this application. All the best. Have a nice day. Thank you so much and namaskar.